Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. Today we are diving into the world of mind mapping and exploring a revolutionary tool called Xmind.ai. Are you someone who struggles to organize your thoughts? Maybe you are a student drawing in the information overload, a business professional juggling a million ideas, or simply someone who wants to boost their creativity. Well, Xmind is here to be your game changer. Xmind is an online mind mapping tool with a powerful twist. It leverages the magic of artificial intelligence. Imagine this, a brainstorming session where you don't have to go it alone. Xmind.ai acts your brainstorming buddy, helping you generate ideas, organize your thoughts, and visualize your plans in a clear and engaging way. This year is the 18th year that Xmind has been dedicated to mind mapping, and up to now Xmind has been recognized by more than 100 million users around the world. To mark this milestone, Xmind has rolled out exciting brand new features designed to enhance user experience and boost productivity. If users are used to app, they can download the Xmind app. The link is available in the video description. If they prefer to use online version or prefer to use AI, they can sign up for Xmind.ai, and for both of these two versions support real-time collaboration and cloud storage. So the link is available in the video description. So time to put on your silly belts. Let's get started. Simply click on the Get Started to Free, and here is the interface. Here you can see we have the bunch of features like new map, new folder and upload button. And down below you can see your save project here. Here we have many options like recent files, shared files and trash button. If I click on the team button, simply click on new team. After creating a team, you can invite others to join. Simply enter your name like Mustafa and then click on the create team. Here you can enter your teammates' email, or even simply click on the copy invite link button and send it to your friends. Xmind works better with your team members. And the main interface, simply click on the new map button. Here you can see here we have 50,000 plus new mind map templates. You can choose your favorite mind map here. Here you can see we have note and list, learning and think, inspirational, planning, entertainment, review and analysis, and etc. You can choose your favorite mind map here. If I select it, simply click on it. And here is our mind map. I can fully customize it. Simply click on it and I can edit it very easily. For example, I will delete it and enter here the mind map. If I want, I can add topics here, I can add subtopic, add relations. That's very easy. At the right, you can see here we have many options like pitch mode, add comment button, add symbols button and more. If I click on the pitch mode, here you can see its result. And the next, we have the comment button. You can add comment into your mind map. If I click on the symbol button, you can add different symbols into your mind map. For example, tags, priority, task, flag, star and people. You can add it into your mind map. If you want, you can select proper categories like business, education, technology, mood, travel and etc. If I click on the next button, here you can adjust the background color, adjust the global font, branch line width, map style and advanced layout. If I click on background color, here you can select your favorite background color here like black, blue, white and etc. After select it, select the global font and then select the line width. After this, select the map style like compact map, justify topic alignment. Next we have advanced layout. You can add topic overlap and flexible floating topics. After everything done, you can share your mind map to anyone. Simply click on the share button and you can send it to your other, and you can publish it and embed it. You can share this mind map to anyone very easily. First of all, copy the map link and then click on the manage button. And here you can see the friend list. You can share it anyone very easily. Now simply click on the back button, and if you want you can enter the email and click on send invitation. And that's it. So the Xmind.ai is a powerful tool for creating the mind maps. And next, its main feature is Copilot. You can generate your mind map using AI. Simply click on the Copilot button and enter the prompt here. If I write here, planning a brand launching, if you want you can create mind map, even to-do list. I will select mind map and click on grow ideas now. You can fully customize it. You can add the stickers, symbols, you can change its color, font, size, style, and etc. At the left side, here you can see we have many options. If you want, you can create new mind map, new sheet, search, add to start, rename. If you want, you can import the file here, even export the file. And next we have the download button. Xmind Copilot is an AI-driven tool designed to enhance the writing and content creation process by integrating mind mapping with generative AI. It helps users organize their thoughts and produce structured content. So that's very easy. Copilot is very useful feature, so must try it. Next we have the new folder button. Click on it. You can create new folder. For example, I will write here Xmind, and that's it. Our folder is created. Next we have the uploaded button. Click on it. You can upload the file here. You can upload the file here and create mind map. So that's very easy. If you are looking for a way to boost your brain power and take your productivity to the next level, then Xmind.ai is definitely worth checking out. Head over to the website, link is available in the video description, and try it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.